Hello guys, it's Eglow here. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to another value packed tutorial, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this rainbow effect that you are seeing on the screen, right? With lens flare, right? So I'm going to show you how to create this effect in Photoshop. So if you're just coming into the channel for the very first time, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so you can be the first person to be notified anytime I post valuable content like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, viewer, I appreciate you. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for your continuous support. I really appreciate that. All right, so just like I said, I'm going to show you how to create lens flare. I'm going to show you how to create this rainbow effect using lens flare, right? So I'm going to show you how to create it in Photoshop. We are going to be using this image. We'll be using this image, right? And you can see this is the lens flare that we'll be using, these two, right? So without any further ado, let's get into it. We're moving them straight to Photoshop now, where we're going to get the job. All right, guys, so we are here in Photoshop now. So the first thing first is when you look at the image now, to me the image is looking kind of too bright, you understand, so even the clothes is showing some level of over exposure, right? So I'm just going to carry out some basic adjustment to like tone down the light, the exposure a little bit, you understand. So I'll just create a new layer, command J. If you're using Mac, but if you're using Windows, it's going to be control J. So after creating a new layer, then come to filter, then come to camera raw filter. We're going to camera raw filter now, where we'll be doing the little adjustment. So from the light here, so I'll just adjust. First thing first is just to adjust my highlight. You can see this is it. You can see, right? So I'll just bring it down a little bit to like yeah, negative 56. This is fine. So I also bring down the exposure a little bit. Let's say negative 20. Yeah. So and also I also add black. Let's say 5. Yeah, this is awesome. Like this is, yeah, like the image is more calm now compared to what we have before. Let me show you the before. This is before, this is after, this is before, and this is after. Guys, you can see with this, just with this little adjustment that we made to this image, you can see the huge impact it has on the image, right? So just add a little bit of contrast. Yeah, 2, that's fine. And also bring down the shadow a little bit. Yeah, let's say negative 6. Right, so I don't want to add I don't want to add white. I'll just bring down the white a little bit. Yeah, negative 2. This is fine, right? This is before, after, before. So this is what I want. This is like okay for me now. So we are moving straight to Photoshop now. Alright, so we are here in Photoshop now, right? So I'm just going to make this layer because I don't have anything to do with the layer again, right? So I'm cool with it. So I'll just make the layer, command E, control E. So it depends on the kind of system, the type of system you're using. Depends on the type of system you're using. Right, so the next thing we're going to do now is to separate the subject from the background. You understand? Because the effect is going to be on the background, not on the subject. So there is need for us to separate the two from each other, right? So just come here and select subject. So now when you have a selection like this, it is very important that you zoom in a little bit and see that the selection is properly done, because Photoshop will not do it 100% for you. You understand? So the automatic selection will not be 100%. So you just have to take your time and manually do it the way you want it. Right? So you do it very, very well. I think this is like the most difficult part of this tutorial, right? After this, the rest is just going to be very, very easy, right? This selection, once selection is perfect, you are good to go. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Alright, I think I'm good to go. right? Yeah, I think the selection is okay now. So just come to this select and mask, click on select and mask, so that we can work on the edge, edges, right? So just zoom in a little bit, just pick my brush and just, just follow through a little bit. Yeah, so follow through. Yeah, so that the edges will not look sharp, to not look edited, right? So nothing serious. I think we are good. The selection is actually very okay. All right, so still zoom back a little bit. All right, so just come down here, this output too. Click on the selection and click on new layer. Click on new layer, right? New layer. So then okay. So you can see that the selection is accurate now, right? So this is it. Then click on the background layer and let's go and bring the first one. Yeah, we'll be using this first, right? So command A to select, right? Control A or to select, command A and command C to select and copy. All right, so just come and drop it, command V to drop it, right? So now extend it till it fills the entire part of the image, you understand? So still drag it up a little bit. Yeah, perfect. This is perfect, right? This is perfect. So now come to blend mode option, click on the blend mode option, then come down to screen and click on screen. This is the first part, guys. You can see how beautiful and how amazing this looks, right? So this is before, after, before, after, guys. You can see now, right? You can see now. So now I'm going to like use my curves before I bring the other one. I'm going to use my curves to like reduce the brightness a little bit. I'm talking about the background now. So I'll just click on my, come to adjustment, click on curves. So and just a little bit, nothing serious. Yeah, this is perfect. So now let's go and bring the second one. So come, yeah, command A, just like we did before, command A and command C, highlight, select and copy, right? So now command V to drop it. So now we're going to fix it the way we want it, right? So adjust it till you are satisfied, like the way you want to position it, you understand? So you just have to still adjust it to that point that you are satisfied, you understand? So I don't want it to be above the leg. I just want it to be beneath the leg, because I want the effect to be very very minimal, you understand? Especially that this rainbow one, I want the effect to be very very minimal, right? So now hit okay, then come to blend mode option as well and click on screen. Guys, you can see, right? You can see now. So let's just go ahead and reduce the opacity a little bit. Let's do 50. And this is amazing. This is very very nice. This is very very nice. This is before, after, before, after. So I still want to reduce it a little because I just want the feel to be there, right? I don't want it to like, you know. So let me even do 30. Yes, this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So this is before, after, before, after. You can see, you can see before, after, before, after. So now the next thing we are going to do now is to add a vignette to this. You understand? We're going to add a vignette to this. So just click on the image, come to adjustment layer, click on adjustment layer, click on solid color. So we're going to click black. So hit OK. So now come here, click on the masking layer here, then reduce your opacity to like let's say 40. So like let's say 40. Let's say 30. Reduce your opacity to like let's say 30. Now click on your brush. Brush 2. Then increase it to like 80. This is fine. That's the opacity and flow. And 80. This is fine. So make sure that the foreground is on black. So just go ahead and start, click on it and start revealing it. You can see this is, so let me show you the before. This is before, after, before, after, before, after. So guys, you can see, right? You can see how sweet and amazing it is. So I'm still going to reduce this rainbow on the floor here, right? So just come down to that rainbow layer and create masking layer. After creating masking layer, I'll just come and reduce my opacity to like let's say 20. Yeah, let's say 20. I'll just reduce the opacity to like let's say 22. Then flow as well, just bring it down to 22, right? Yes. So now the opacity and flow, they are on 2020 now. They are on 2222 now. Opacity and flow are on 2022. Now if you look at opacity and flow now, they are 2222, right? So make sure the foreground is on black. You understand? So, and just start brushing through that part. You can see it's just the feel that I want, right? Nothing serious. So you can see this is before, before, after. Guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. This is how to create rainbow effect with lens flare in Photoshop. You understand? So if you need this effect, if you need this lens flare, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to get it across to you. You understand? So also I'm going to attach my presets, my color grading presets, my essential retouching pack, everything. I'm going to attach it to this video, right? So do well to check the description of this video and see how you can get it. You understand? Let me know what you want me to talk about in my next video. Guys, if you watch this video to this very moment, thank you so much. I appreciate. And if you are here to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and do so. Share this video so that others can also benefit from it as well. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel just like I said earlier, and as well turn on notification button so I can be the first person to be notified anytime I post valuable content like this. Also, let me know what you want me to talk about in my next video. Bye.